I just created this content creation app to create my own YouTube content. I want to share this with you guys and show you exactly how it works. Hello, my name is John and welcome. So as you can see here, this app is something I built using AI agent. So it helps me to create YouTube content for my different platforms or YouTube channels that I have. So as you can see here, we have the area where you can key in your topic. So whatever topic you have in mind, you want to create a video about, you put it here. So you tap it in and you choose on the video length. If you want it just on 75 seconds, this one is for YouTube short and TikTok videos. If you want a 2 to 5 minute video, you click on this one. If you want 6 minute video, it's on this right here, the medium. If you want 13-minute video, it's gonna be the long. If you want a 20-minute video, it's gonna be extended option. Okay, and then after that, you click on generate content package, and it will generate content for you. And then you have an other option here, which is custom script. So the custom script button allows you to paste your own script. Okay, you put a video topic here, you paste your script, and it will generate the content for you. We have this button also, which is for recent projects. So any project that you work on or any content that you create, you go over here, you will see them, and you have option also to delete on some of those or delete the whole thing. And on this app, you have to log in. I already log in. That's why you see log out there. So again, this is just something that I create to help me create a YouTube content. So what is so let's just try to create a YouTube content. You see exactly what this app is able to do. So for this, for the purpose of this video, let's do how to start online business. Okay, how to start online business. All right. So we're gonna do ultra short, which is gonna be roughly 75 seconds. Okay. So we click on generate complete package, and you see how this will work. Sometimes it takes a little time. As you can see here, say please wait. So it's working. Let's see how long it will take before it generate the content. So this is very helpful. I already use it to make a video. That video brought me 73 cents. I don't know, but yeah, just to show you that I can make money using this software to create content. You'll see the amount on the screen somewhere here. So that's the amount I was able to make with that video, just like a small video. Yeah, but I'm planning to start using it more often to create more videos. It's something that will help a lot of you guys who are small business owners to create content for your business, or if you are just an individual trying to make extra money on side. Yes, you can use on this software also. Right now, it's not available. I'm still working on it. One thing also I forgot to talk about is this chat right here. This one is if you have any help, you want to talk to the um, AI to, you want to ask some questions, you click on this right here. But I don't want to click on it yet. I want to wait till it finish what it's doing. Then I can click on that later on to show you exactly what it is. So it's a really cool app. That's the second version. The first version, I was working on it, add more feature to it, and it kind of crashes, start acting weird. So I rebuilt everything from scratch, and this is the one I have now. I'm planning to add more features to it, like on stats, show you different stuff, how many content you're able to create, and different stuff, and also option to download the output. So this one right now, it will give you option to copy or the output and paste it on like Google Doc or Microsoft Word. So it can do that. So yeah, it done. So it's done. Here's the output. So as you can see here, this is the complete video script. Okay, and based on the topic that we provide. So the hook, okay, the hook say, if you had 75 seconds and zero budget, could you start an online business today? Yes. Watch me map it out. And then in the introduction, quick introduction, I am. So if it's, I can say I'm John. And in this quick guide, I show a simple proven plan to launch online fast today, online business fast today. So those are the little stuff that you can do, like when you're doing the cleanup, add those stuff to it, you remove stuff, and it's not always 100% perfect. The script is not always 100% perfect, so you can clean it up a little bit to make it good the way you want it. Okay, so this is the main content. So step one is say, pick a quick problem and audience. Think busy parent needs a quick meal, or local shops that need a website. On step two, validate in 24 hours. Search on Reddit, Amazon review, and TikTok. Ask on five people. If three say yes, move. Okay. So yeah, it gave you those stuff. It's just like it says, a quick on video, 75 second, and now you have a conclusion right there. Like I was saying, you have option to copy all the script. You click on this right here to copy the whole script. If you scroll down, this app will generate SEO titles for you. As you can see here, five titles on start online business in 75 seconds. Online business on simple step on seven on steps on starter guide. Launch your first online biz today. I see right here, give you all those titles. You can copy those titles individually if you want to. Okay, and then we have a video description. Okay, very good. You have the video description with the timestamps. Okay, and all this you can edit it. So once you copy it and paste it on your Google Doc or Microsoft Word, you can change some of those stuff. It give you a key point and stuff like that. The tag, the hashtag if you want it. So, and also it give you keywords you can use for the tags you can use in YouTube when you uploading your video. And on top of that, it give you thumbnail creation ideas. Okay, so three ideas to create a thumbnail. So one is a high contrast thumbnail of a stopwatch reading 1 to 15 next to a sleek laptop on showing a simple one-page website with a big buy button. Add on bold or three-word text in yellow on black. So whatever text you wanna add, you can just put it here somewhere here before you paste the whole script into image generation platform or Canva. You can do it, or Leonardo AI, you can use it there. So basically that's the idea it generate. Another one here is a confident creator pointing at a checklist with seven big ticks. So yeah, you got the idea. So this session is for your thumbnail concept. So basically, it'll give you like a three words and you can use on your for your thumbnail. Okay, so like a zero budget launch, validate them, build on selling this, on 7 steps fast plan, start online now. So it give you the good practice basically to create a good thumbnail. They do and they don't. Just you're gonna read through there, and then make sure you have a good thumbnail. And then over here, it give you what I call it, like script enhancement points. So this one is for some of you guys who want to create like talking head videos where you sit in front of the camera. So these are the points. So I make a have it like a five point main point and also sub point here. If I can call it a sub bullet point, like a small bullet point. So like this one here is say define a clear problem in the audience. So choose a niche so you understand. Write a one sentence problem statement. Avoid broad, vague markets. Okay, so it will help you, like I say, for talking head content. And then on top of that, we have prompts. Okay, so this one is to help you generate images for the whole script in case you want to create faceless video, or you want like a b-roll. This script will help you create those b-rolls. So we will have the one for the hook. Okay, so you can copy this, take it to image generation site like Canva or Leonardo AI, or even ChatGPT to create an image. So you can copy those individual as well, and give you the one for the introduction. The main is the one for the main content, and also the conclusion at the bottom right there. So on top of that, you have a background music and prompt. This one will allow you to generate music for your video. So you click or you copy the script, and then you paste it on a music generation platform like a Suno. That's the one I use, and give it like a five takeaways on roughly about the topic. Okay, so that's what the app does. Now, but like I say, I'm planning to add on other stuff to it. So this one you can export on the whole package. You say export the whole package, you can do that as well. That one you're gonna have the whole thing, in it when you click on that export on the whole package. Okay, and this one is the chart bot I was talking about. When you click on it, like right here, it says, hi, I can help you customize on your script suggest on improvement or answer question about YouTube on strategy. What would you like to know? So just type in whatever it is I want, submit it, and we give an answer. I tried last time, didn't work on well. I'm gonna fix that, but yeah, that's exactly what it does. So yeah, here you have it. Roughly, this is the app that I built. Right now it's called Content Genius, but I'm probably gonna change the name later on. If you know the name you want me to use, you can drop in the comment. If you think this app is something you can use in the future to create content, let me know in the description as well. Cause who knows, one day I might make it available for you guys to use. Yep. Thanks for watching.